Today, let's learn how to operate the DeepWay StarWay electric heavy-duty truck. First, the key usage. In the effective range, long press or short press the car finder button twice. The vehicle turn signal flashes for 5 seconds. Horn beeps for 5 seconds. Short press the unlock button to complete door unlocking. Second, app usage. The app can only be used on Android phones. Download the DeepWay app and connect via Bluetooth. In the effective range, it can replace the key and control the vehicle. Third, power on and off. Step on the brake firmly after the vehicle is powered on. The dashboard shows ready. High voltage power on is completed. Vehicle power off. Swipe down the screen to find vehicle shutdown. Click yes. The screen automatically turns off. Fourth, camping mode. For a brake, find vehicle control on the central control screen. Find the camping mode. The vehicle will disconnect the drive motor and maintain the high voltage connection. Air pump, air conditioning, and other functions continue to work. Fifth, energy recovery. Turn on the energy recovery function on the central screen. Press the gear lever up to increase the intensity. Long press down to reduce energy recovery intensity. Just turn on first gear when driving empty. Recommended for use during heavy load downhill driving, according to the different road conditions of downhill different intensities. Sixth, optimize energy consumption. When starting, we gently press the accelerator to speed up. The economic speed is around 60 to 70. Avoid sudden acceleration or deceleration when slowing down at traffic lights. You can use energy recovery to slow down in advance. If you long press it upwards, you can increase the intensity of energy recovery. The speed will slow down. It can perform braking while saving energy and protecting brake pads. Seventh, the use of the PTO. Find the body control on the central control screen and turn on the PTO. You can carry outside or rear tipping, depending on the installation position. Clean the battery cover regularly. Avoid stacking some debris that will crush the battery box. 50,000 kilometers service for drive axle. 50,000 kilometers or 12 months for steering gear.